Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a later I promised a long time ago, finally getting it voiced over. This is actually from August, Flavors of the Month kit, plus the Shots of Life kit. So a little bit of combined. I took the Echo Park collection and I kind of added it to the Shots of Life kit. So I'm making a pocket page to go with two other pages I created that month. One was with the Echo Park and the collection, and then the other one, I can't remember, but you'll see those finished pages here in a second. And I'm doing the traditional pocket pages where it's the 2 4x6 on top going horizontal, and then the 4 3x4s in the center. So the Shots of Life kit, if you've never subscribed to Flavors of the Month kit, or the Scrap Room, I should say, they have 4 different kit options. Yeah, 4 different kit options. There's a card kit, which I think is only quarterly, if I remember correctly. There's a Shots of Life kit that is actually every other month. So you get like 2 months worth of Shots of Life when you subscribe. And then there's the double shot kit and the Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month kit is kind of their main kit. You get 4 mini collections of current collections out there, coordinating cardstock and embellishments and things from the collection. And then the double shot kit is just a smaller version of that, but it's 2 different collections than what the Flavors of the Month is. So I highly recommend subscribe to everything if you're able, because you get a nice balance of the collections. And if you like to get some of the new stuff that's out there, but you don't want to buy the entire thing, and I have a hard time deciding sometimes of what I want to get if I'm not going to buy the entire collection, but I don't ever need the entire collection. So these kits are perfect because she picks it for you. You don't have to make a decision. You just subscribe, done. And then there's add-ons. So you can get embellishment add-ons, so you get more embellishments for the Flavors of the Month kit only. Cardstock add-on where you get cardstock for the Flavors of the Month kit only. And pattern paper. So you get more pattern paper of those collections that are in the Flavors of the Month kit only. So it all kind of revolves around the Flavors of the Month kit, but there's additional things you can get. So anywho, I had all these photos of my son and husband, 2015 maybe, I can't remember right now. Like I said, I actually made this in August and just have been putting it off of when to voice it over and edit. And so it's been sitting on my phone, and now my recording phone is running out of space, and so I'm like, I gotta get this off of here. But the Shots of Life kit then actually has like 1 cut apart, essentially, paper from each of the kits or collections that are in the Flavors of the Month kit, and then an embellishment from each of them as well. So then they kind of all coordinate, and it's fun to then see how you can make the 4 collections kind of go together in a way. I end up using a lot of the Echo Park in this one, but I did use some other papers. Like I said, I don't remember now off the top of my head of what the different collections were, and I apologize for this was another thing. So I did this, and then I realized that for some reason I had shifted my camera, and so it was part of the screen is blocked actually by the actual light that my camera is mounted on, because it mounts above it. So I had to kind of crop out my recording so you don't get to see the full 2-page spread, but you see it's close enough, if that makes sense. It's close enough. You just miss out on that very far left side. But I do shift it at one point, and so you can see all of it. So I'm basically taking, a lot of times too, I don't use the cut aparts complete. I don't tend to use them the way they are kind of fully intended. I a lot of times will use the pattern paper that's on the other side, and then use some of the cut aparts, and then even some cut aparts I will cut apart even more, if that makes sense. A lot of times the 4x6 cards, I'll cut them up even more, or I will cover them to the point where they're just matting my photo. So between the Shots of Life and some more of just the Echo Park collection, which I was really focusing on since I had a whole page of that. Oh, I think it was This is a Simple Stories. I think it's a Simple Stories Vintage collection was the other page I made. And you'll see that because I just saw that sticker sheet and that's totally what that's from. But then I just play with all the embellishments and create little areas, because this was definitely one of those things where I had enough photos that I probably could have just done another or a 2-page spread, but I thought it would be fun to do. I like to kind of mix in pocket pages within my albums every once in a while, just to have a little change of pace type thing. And I'm fine if my pocket pages actually are not filled with photos. Like, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, are there 5 photos? Yeah, 5 photos total. And so I'm okay that there's only 5 photos, even though there's how many pockets? But it's fun because then you can just play with stickers, play with embellishments, and decorate little areas, and just have a blast with creating little cards of fun and playing with the product. And actually, it's a really good way when you want to do a pocket page and you don't have a ton to use up a lot of your embellishments, because I tend to have lots of embellishments left over a lot of times for bigger collections. So I'm actually done creating. I did all the talking and nothing. So now you get to see the front and back, and then there's the companion page there, and then that's the other one. So that is my completed Shots of Life. Oh yeah, I have to add a sticker. See, I used quite a bit of the stickers off of that sticker sheet, and there's still many more, but I was able to use a decent amount of them and just use them up, and some of the ephemera pieces and things. And so that's what's fun about pocket pages. Like, if you don't have the pictures to fill them, then you can always just use embellishments up and use them partially or fully or however you want to do it. So yeah, that is my take on a Shots of Life kit layout. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out other videos I've made and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the scrap room, and I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.